Everybody knows that the screen breaks often. I've got 3 kids, I know. So this is our lab. We assess the ease of disassembly. Look at smartphones, for instance. Everybody knows that the screen breaks often, but also batteries break down after a couple of years. And over here you have the battery. These are only parts, so we actually dismantled this and to have a look at how easy is this part accessible. But there are other issues with it involved, like the back cover, which breaks down, is made out of glass, and it breaks down very easy. And the back cover is really difficult to repair or replace, because you need to access it from the top to down. You need to dismantle all the parts. And if you put a very breakable part at the last, so underneath, you need to you need to peel off a lot of other parts before you can access that part. Another one is the screen. Well, this is broken, of course. And if you replace this screen, it actually won't work, because you need to replace a chip on it as well, which defines that it's an original part. And there's a lot of glue involved. In this one, there's glue, of course, around the edges. When you put things together, they're watertight. And watertightness means you have to glue it. If you want to put it together, you need to buy the stickers which have the glue on involved. You need to have them. But it's also difficult to glue it back together. And you need to be very well professional on that sense. Maybe 40 years ago, repair was the norm, and now replace is the norm. So there's a lot to do. So you can actually make good design. You can design for repair, design for refurbishment. But if the consumer doesn't change their culture a little bit, then it's kind of difficult. So we have to, yeah.